Hello there, welcome back to another new video. I'm your boy Mr. Talented Reid, and today's video I'll be showing you what size belt your 2002 Chevy Venture use. So you have two belts right here. So this one I purchased from AutoZone, which is a 6PK 2225, and you have a used one right here that work also. It come off the same engine. I get it from the scrapyard, which is 6PK 2195. They both work. So if you're trying to find a belt and don't get the original one, this is the original one. This is a genuine belt I purchased from AutoZone. So this is the right belt for it. This one also come off the engine, same engine at the junkyard. So if you get any of these numbers belt, it can still work. So guys, if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Bye.